What you're looking at here today is a Fasco Charleston 5-blade antique white. Some say that combination is rare. This one is dated, I think, March of 1993. You can't see it, but there's the reverse switch is in the vent. This is a 3rd generation Charleston, as evidenced by the rounded switch cap and ball socket canopy. Anyway, we're going to see what this thing does. Starting with low. The low speed with all Charlestons is very slow, almost Casablanca slow. So it has a bit of an aesthetic low speed to it, which personally I find to be pretty awesome. Now we're going to medium. Has a little bit of wobble to it. Just a wee bit of wobble. So we're going to put it to high. Moves a good bit of air. Probably about 200 RPMs. Now we're turning it off. The bearings on it are pretty good. Apparently it was taken down after air conditioning was put in or something of that nature, stored since 2000, and of course hasn't been used until now. So it is in very good shape. Another thing about these fans is the flywheel. Fasco's 5- and 6-blade flywheels for the drop flywheel type fans. It's shit. Their flywheels are shit. They always break. This one, not broken. Alright, let's put it into reverse. Start from high. So yes, the flywheel on this fan is in perfect condition. Hopefully it will stay that way. As I've mentioned, antique white is not a very common finish, especially with 5 blades.